Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change app permission on Android phone. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the app setting. Scroll down. And this is the app setting. We have to click on it, and on the app setting we have to select the application we would like to change the permission, and I'm gonna go with for example Facebook application. So we can tap on a Facebook application, and then we can simply tap on the permission option to manage the app permission. Tap on the permission, and as you can see that no permission allowed for this application, and I'm going to change it. For example, I'm going to allow Facebook to access my camera, so we can tap on the camera button or the camera option. Then I'm going to select this one, allow only while using the app. Okay, then we can go back, and for example, I'm going to allow my Facebook to access my storage as well. So we can tap on the storage option. Then I'm going to click on allow access to media only. Okay, now the app permission have been changed, and if you want to remove the access from Facebook, you can just tap on this option. For example, I'm going to remove the access from Facebook to camera, so we can tap on the camera. Then we just need to click on down low. Okay, and we just need to go back. And I guess that's how we can manage app permission on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.